Welcome to Cyber-Theo. Today, I'm going to walk you through the essential steps to secure your home Wi-Fi network from potential hackers. With cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, it's important to make sure your home network is safe and sound. Let's dive into what you need to do to keep hackers out of your Wi-Fi. Log into your router and change default credentials. First, open a browser and type in your router's IP address, usually something like 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Use the default username and password, found on the back of your router or in the manual, to log in. Once inside, go to the Administration or Settings section and change both the username and password to something unique and strong. This prevents anyone from logging in with the default credentials. Enable WPA3 or WPA2 encryption. Navigate to the Wireless or Security settings in your router's menu. Select WPA3 as your encryption type, which is the most secure option. If your router doesn't support WPA3, opt for WPA2, which is still very secure. This encryption protects the data being sent over your Wi-Fi network, making it difficult for hackers to intercept. Turn off remote management. Look for a setting called Remote Management or Remote Access in your router's configuration. Disable this feature to prevent anyone from accessing your router settings from outside your home. Remote management can be convenient, but it also opens a door for hackers to control your network. Set up a guest network. Go to the Guest Network section in your router's settings. Create a separate Wi-Fi network for guests with a different name and password. This way, your main network with all your personal devices stays isolated and safe. Set the guest network to have limited access to your main devices for extra protection. Update your router's firmware. In the router settings, find the Firmware Update or Software Update section. Check if there's a new firmware version available, and install it if needed. Keeping your router updated ensures that any known vulnerabilities are patched, improving security. Disable WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup. In the Wireless or Advanced section of your router settings, locate the WPS option. Turn off WPS to prevent attackers from exploiting this feature. WPS makes it easier to connect devices but is also vulnerable to hacking. Hide your network name, SSID, optional. If you want to add a bit more privacy, go to the SSID broadcast or wireless settings and disable SSID broadcasting. This hides your Wi-Fi network from being easily seen by others. However, it's not a foolproof method, as hackers can still find hidden networks with the right tools. Use a strong Wi-Fi password. In the Wireless section, you'll see the option to change your Wi-Fi password. Create a complex password using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A strong password makes it harder for hackers to guess or crack it through brute force attacks. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo. Now your Wi-Fi network is much more secure, and you can enjoy peace of mind knowing hackers will have a hard time breaking in. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a comment below and share your thoughts. And don't forget to check out the links for more tech tutorials. Consider subscribing for more tech tips and security advice. See you next time.